In this video, I'll show you how to send money using Western Union to GCash step by step. By the way, if you run a business, Western Union probably isn't the best option for you. But I'll explain more about that later in the video. To send money to a GCash wallet using Western Union, you can either visit their website, use the mobile app, or go in person to a Western Union agent location. In this example, the process is demonstrated using the website on a phone because it's one of the easiest methods. But if you're using a desktop computer, the steps are almost identical. Before starting a transfer, you'll need to register for a Western Union account. To do this, open the menu and select the option to register. You'll then provide an email address along with a password to create the account. Once registration is complete, you'll be redirected to the main page of your account. From there, open the menu again and select the option to send money. This section is where you will enter most of the transfer details. First, choose the country you are sending money to. In this case, select the Philippines. Next, enter the amount you want to send. The amount can be entered in your local currency, and once you do that, the system will automatically show how much the receiver will get in Philippine pesos. After entering the amount, you will need to choose how the receiver will get the money. Select the option for a mobile wallet, and then choose GCash from the list of available wallets. The next step is selecting how you want to pay for the transaction. Western Union offers several payment options, including credit card, debit card, instant bank transfer, Google Pay, and manual bank transfer. While credit cards are available, they are generally not recommended because many providers treat this type of payment as a cash advance and may charge additional fees. Instant bank transfer is a convenient option because it redirects you to your banking application to complete the payment directly. Google Pay is another quick option if it is available in your region. There is also the bank transfer method, which involves manually sending the money to Western Union's bank account. After choosing your preferred payment method, continue to the next step. Before proceeding, you may see a fraud warning message. If everything looks correct and you wish to continue, simply accept the notice. The next step is adding the receiver's information. Select the option to add a new receiver and enter their first and last name, along with their mobile wallet number. If you are sending money from outside the Philippines, remember to remove the leading 0 from the phone number because the country code will already be included automatically. You will also need to choose the purpose of the transaction before continuing. In some cases, Western Union may ask you to confirm your identity. This depends on the regulations in the country you are sending money from. The verification process is straightforward and typically involves selecting your occupation, stating your relationship with the receiver, and confirming personal details such as your date of birth, address, and identification information. Once the verification process is completed, you will be able to review all the details of your transfer. Carefully check the amount, the receiver's information, and the payment method. If everything looks correct, you can accept and confirm the transaction. If you selected bank transfer as the payment method, you will then need to manually send the funds to Western Union using the bank details provided on the screen. It is very important to include the correct reference information when making the transfer, because incorrect details may cause the payment to be rejected. You will also receive a tracking number known as the MTCN. This number is important because it allows you to track the progress of your transfer. To check the status, copy the tracking number, open the menu, and select the option to track a transfer. Paste the number into the tracking field and you will be able to see updates on the progress of the transaction. And that's it. Western Union is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, Airwallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what Western Union offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed Airwallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.